How to withdraw money from Treasure NFT to Binance. So to withdraw funds from Treasure NFT to Binance, you'll first need to log into your Treasure NFT account and then go to withdrawal section and initiate the withdrawal process. So here's how you do it. So first, log into your account. So access your Treasure NFT account through the platform. Then locate the withdrawal section. So just find your wallet or the withdrawal section within the interface. Then initiate a withdrawal. So click on the withdraw button and select the cryptocurrency, which is the Bitcoin that you want to withdraw on Binance. And then connect your wallet. So connect your preferred cryptocurrency wallet like your Trust wallet to Treasure NFT. Then specify the Binance address in the withdrawal process. You'll need to provide the correct deposit address from your Binance account for the specific cryptocurrency you are withdrawing. So make sure you have the correct specific cryptocurrency deposit address, because if you don't, you'll make some mistakes and you will lose your money. Then next is to verify and confirm. So double check all the information, including the recipient address, and confirm the withdrawal. So as I mentioned, make sure to double check all the information to make sure that it is the correct address. And then lastly, just monitor your transactions. So track the transaction to your Treasure NFT withdrawal history or your connected wallet to ensure the funds have been successfully transferred to your Binance account. And that's how you can withdraw money from Treasure NFT to Binance.